Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Cameron and welcome. I hope you guys are having a great morning, afternoon, evening, whatever you're doing at this time that you're watching this, and yeah, let's get into what today's video is going to be. So today's video is a little box unboxing for Miss BoxyCharm for the month of October. Today is October 11. I've been sort of lazy lately and I haven't been really doing looks or anything. I mean, I tried to do one, I think like last week, and it just happened. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. All right, let me get my little trusty dusty scissors here. If I could open it. She's opened. All right. So this month is BoxyCharm Candy Shop. So that's cute. And it's like all kind of like bloody, like with fingers and candy and stuff. That's pretty cool. All right, and then here's all of the stuff in the back. So first thing that we're just gonna go ahead and look at is this Murad Hydration. What does this say? AHA exfoliating cleanser. Ooh, we love an exfoliating cleanser here. And this retails for $40, and this is a multitasking cleansing exfoliant. So we're definitely going to use this after the look today. The next thing will be this. What is this? Symbiosis London. That's what it is. HA's hyaluronic acid and pollen tightening and replenish eye mask. Ooh, we're going to use that. So where's this? Symbiosis London. This is a beauty mark in the form of eye mask and cream to tighten, rejuvenate, and brighten the delicate eye area. The eye mask is 4 to 5. Okay, and this is $93. Let's see if we can get our little close-up. 93, we're about to put that on now. Next thing is going to be Miss Tarte Merajuka. I can't even say it. Merajuka Miracle Mist. So this is a setting spray, and this is $23. There you go. Next thing is going to be Miss Spongelle, and this is a Cherry Tonka Musk Body Wash Infused Buffer. My fiance loves these, so he's literally gonna take this. He took the last one that I got, and yeah, so smells pretty good. Smells like a woman. So there's that, and this is $20. All right, moving along. Oops. Next thing is going to be this Pretty Volca Nesting Bitch Face, or whatever that is. And this is basically a face palette. So it has, looks like it has blush, bronzer, and highlight in it. So we're gonna highlight and brush and blondes and do all that. And this is $32. $32. So this is not a whole lot of stuff that I'm gonna use today. Probably I'll use these three. And yeah, so I think we'll just go ahead and just get started. I'm gonna put this on. And wait, let me read the instructions. Help down. Usage: apply thinner to clean, dry skin, allow to absorb into the delicate skin around the eyes. No need to wash off. Okay, so we gotta do that. I already put some eye cream on, so let's see if this does anything different. So I'm just gonna take that much. And put it there. And there you have it. That's this week's video. Just kidding. So that is first thing that I just put on. So I guess the only thing to really do is to do my face and put this on and set it. So I'm going to be right back. I'm going to do literally everything off camera and I'll be right back. And then I'll do this. Yeah, that sounds like a plan. All right, so we're back. I feel like this is like, it went from like just, oh, I'm just going to use just this, into I'm like, wham. Full on like red eye, red lip. This is a lot probably going on, but I mean, it's like Halloween, like kind of like seductress kind of vibes or whatever. So yeah, if you want to know what I use Jawbreaker, blood sugar, and for the eyes. And then as far as like lips, I used Red Rum, I used Morphe, and I used Lunar Beauty. Anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and use this little like bronzer moment. So I think, well, I'm kind of like a lighter, so I'm gonna use this one. Son of AB, it says. So yeah, I'm just gonna put that on my cheeks here. See if that does any, makes me a little bit, you know, bronzy. I didn't do any contouring, I just sort of concealed. And yeah. And then I'll use a little bit of the darker just to put it here. I'm gonna go back in with the lighter one. And there's our little bronzer moment. It's weird, I never really do bronzer or anything after I do like eyes and lips and stuff, but hey, it is what it is. And then we're gonna use, I'm gonna use this sort of blush since it's, oh sorry, this sort of blush, Hush Blush. And just sort of smile. Ha 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 ha. Just like that. I know it looks like I'm a little bit sunburned. Here, we just tap right into this and just lighten it up just a little bit. Just so that I don't look too pink, because I don't like looking like a crazy person. And there's that. I'll use this little highlight. Let me find a highlighting brush. We use this one. And just gonna, just, what is this called? Glimmer of BS. And just place it there. Let's do a little bit on the nose. There's that. And then the last thing is our Tarte Marajuka Miss. And we're just gonna set it and forget it. Oh, it's a mess right here. And yeah, so that is gonna be this month's October BoxyCharm. I only used 1, 2, and 3 things right out of the, because this was also in, this was included, sorry, this, and this. And I was only able to use really 3 things in this video because, this is like basically for the after, this is for the shower. So yeah, and all in all, I think everything, was great. Oh, I didn't even say what the price was. So let's see. So we have $32 for the palette, $23 for the spray, $40 for the exfoliant, $93 for the eye treatment, and $20 for the sponge. So that price will be like here. And yeah, if you guys like this video, if you don't like it, sorry, I don't care. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. And be sure to follow me on Instagram and all of those other things. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.